Okay, my dear students, today we have a speaking session and a very common topic I'm going to give you, and that is the name of the topic is behavior. What is the importance of behavior? How we can say that behavior, good behavior, nice behavior, sweet behavior is the key of success. So you can produce some examples at the time of telling the importance of behavior. What type of behavior do you expect from others, and what is the impact of others behavior on you, or what do you think about the behavior that has an impact on others when you treat them? So very simple topic, and it is very nice that I have got some names: Rakshit, Harshit, Gaurav, Rohit, Harsh, VK. What is this VK? And Sushil and Lakshmi Gujar, Aditya Karate Champion, Kabir Saheb, Vaishnavi. Very good. So now listen to each other. What are their thoughts regarding behavior so that you can enhance your knowledge or your wisdom? So first of all, I am calling Rakshit to
सर
speak on the topic. Yes, come on, Rakshit.
सर कैमरा बंद चलेगा.
देख ले, अब कोई ज्यादा इमरजेंसी है तो बंद रख ले, नहीं तो चालू कर ले. बोल.
सर सही से आएगा ही नहीं
अरे आ
सर.
जाएगा तो
ब्लैक ब्लैक
अरे
आएगा.
आने दे, ब्लैक आएगा तो कोई बात नहीं. अपने को
ओके
पैसा
सर.
वहाँ वहाँ भेजना है अपने को ऑस्कर अवार्ड के लिए. बोल. हाँ. यस. स्टार्ट.
यस सर. Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya and today I am telling on the topic that is behavior. As you all know that behavior is a very important aspect of life. It is one of the factors that leads to success, and it is very important in one's life. Good and good behavior is and everyone should have a good behavior, and how is it important. I can give many examples, like if a teacher, if a teacher have a good behavior,
हैज. हाँ हाँ.
has a good behavior,
हम्म.
he or she can affluent he or she can give can give good teaching to the students, and students also get sir प्रभावित को क्या बोलेंगे, students also get inspired by the teacher
शाबाश.
and can get into studies also. And if the behavior of teacher is not good, uh, the students get less effective in study also. And 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 like teacher, there is a doctor, and a doctor should also have a good behavior,
हम्म.
because if a doctor have has a good behavior,
हम्म.
the patient the patient will get the patient will no will recover with recover early. And because if the doctor has not good behavior, the patient will get scared of the behavior
हम्म.
and do not recover
शाबाश.
easily.
हाँ.
And
हम्म.
so by this I can say that everyone should have a good behavior, good behavior in all aspects. And sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया. यस, कम ऑन हर्षित. कहीं जा रहे हैं आज गाड़ी में बैठ के? हाँ. बोल.
Ji sir.
हम्म.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Moore. I am the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is how should be our behavior.
हम्म.
In my view, behavior is very important in our life. It is one of the most important factor of our life.
हम्म.
Discipline is very important because I can show you many examples to prove this.
हम्म.
Like we can take the example of a teacher. If a teacher teaches a student well, then the student uh, uh, can understand that thing very nicely. And if a teacher is rude, then there may be many types of things that students can't understand the things and get scared of
Mm.
the things.
Shabash.
And we can also take the examples of doctors,
Mm.
because doctors are, as we know, that doctors are very important in our life. If a doctor is polite and good, then the patient can recover very nicely and very early.
Mm.
And if a doctor is rude, then the patient will have will be afraid of him and will recover later. So by keeping these points in my mind,
Mm.
I can say that behavior is very important for our life. That's it, sir.
Very good. Nice. Shabash. Yes, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. I'm Gaurav. My today's topic is the importance of behavior. As we know that behavior is the most important thing in every field. uh, That we can take example as a student in a school, that if our behavior is not good,
Mm.
we will get rusticated or suspended from the school.
Mm-hmm.
And we can also, if we are not well behaved in the society, so all will hate us and they will also scold us.
बहुत
and
बहुत वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छे अच्छे सेंटेंस छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना रहे हो शाबाश सुनो सब लोग ध्यान से हाँ
and and there will be conflicts in each other
हम्म
and other things. And also behavior effects in business also, that if a businessman is doing a dealer, so is doing a deal. So if the dealer's behavior is not good, so the deal can't be possible in them.
हम्म
And behavior also includes promise and trust and
बहुत बढ़िया
body
शाबाश
language
बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड
and
हाँ
our speaking language, our style of speaking,
हम्म
our style of moving.
हम्म
This is called behavior. And there are two types of behavior: indiscipline and discipline. In discipline, we should follow rules.
हम्म
Discipline says that we should follow rules, respect our elders, and also stay calm and have patience. Should have patience,
हम्म
and we have to stay calm in a conflict or a fight, if any.
हम्म
This is called discipline. But in indiscipline, we means we are very naughty.
हम्म
Means we do many
हम्म
bad things, or we can many mischief in school or other things, or many. And I have seen many indisciplined students or people that they talk with a very rude language,
वेरी गुड
that hey, what are you, and
हम्म
they have a heavy voice. But disciplined people have a soft voice and a soft language.
हम्म
And indisciplined people always keep fighting with each other, and that
हम्म
is. And also, if we have a well maintained discipline with our teacher or friend
हम्म
or anyone,
हम्म
so they will trust on us and they will always be our side, and they will think that we are a nice person.
हम्म
And in the society, the discipline is very, very important, so we can maintain our respect.
हम्म
And we have to give respect to claim respect.
हम्म
And to give respect is in the discipline.
वेरी गुड
Means
हम्म
this discipline also says that give respect to our elders, and
हम्म
always short ones, that the
हम्म
junior ones.
वेरी
We
गुड
should give respect to our junior ones, because if we give respect, they will give us respect.
हम्म
That's normal. So we should give all elders and juniors respect and maintain discipline. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Very good, यार बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. Everything is very nice. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Khadre, and today I'm going to tell you the importance, or we can say the or importance of behavior. So, as you all know that today in our society, everyone judge us on our personality and
शाबाश.
our behavior. So we should have a good behavior to look attractive, or we can say to look good in front of the other person. As you know that everyone wants a good behavior, but sometimes we do some little mistakes that affect our behavior. Mistakes are done by everyone, but we should not repeat them. We should improve them. And if a person if a person will have a good if a person have a good behavior, then he or she will get success in his or her life. Because everywhere we are judged by our behavior. And like a teacher whose behavior is very good, that while teaching he is in he is in he is in many moods, like sometimes he become angry, sometimes he become funny, sometimes he become strict. So these behaviors are good to make a person successful. And in many fields also we see that, like if we are a businessman, then our behavior should be respectful, so that to grow our company, or we can say our entrepreneurship. And so in my view, I think that a person who have a good who
All the
uh,
businessmen
who has a good
should
behavior is
all
very
the
successful.
businessmen and the employees of the company, they
बोलो बोलो.
Sir, that's it.
Okay. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा, काफी अच्छी नई चीजें आई. Yes, come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. My name is Harsh, and today my topic is importance of behavior. As we all are students, and to study in our school or to stay in our school, we should have a good behavior, because behavior is not a word. It is a respect of a person. If a person is acting in a good behavior, then he or she will be respected by all. This is the reason why many of the boys are not liked by their teachers, because boys behavior is not good, and behavior is a key to make respect in a in a in the person's mind who is sitting or standing in front of us. And if a person wants to get success, then he should do two things: first hard work and smart work, and second its behavior. Because if a person will do hard work and smart work, then he can achieve. But if his behavior will not be good, then he will not able to um, maintain that, and there will be no consistency in his life.
शाबाश.
uh, and we can take the example of school life, that in our standard first to eight, the students are well behaved, so they score good. But after reaching to ninth and 10th standard, there they meet some bad guys in and from their company, and their bad behavior, uh, they are affected by it. And affecting by bad guys is a very just खराब होगा बोलेंगे,
Very bad कर दो.
very bad aspect,
Very destructive कर दो. हाँ बोलो.
very destructive part of a student's life, because it is the moment when he can achieve his success by a good behavior, and by not coming in the in sangat sangat
Company.
company, in a company of any bad person. And behavior is a key to achieve everything in life, like a businessman who is having a meeting, who is having a great deal with a foreigner or a person from our country only, then if his behavior will be good, like his presentation, his way of speaking, his way of hand signs, and all other things, then the person will first judge the person by his personality, and then sign the deal. Because if a person will not be in good behavior, he will not be concentrating on the other person. He will not be a good, he would not be a good listener. And then the other person would think if he will sign a deal with him, then because of his behavior he will get a loss. uh, so in many aspects of life, behavior is very important. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। एक तो तुमने ना कंडीशनल सेंटेंस का ध्यान रखा करो। ओपन कंडीशनल में, ओपन कंडीशन में,
Sir?
प्रेजेंट में सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस आता है। हाँ बेटा,
So may we leave?
हाँ हाँ, यस यस, सुशील आओ बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Raman Online Interactive Classes from school. And today I am here with a new topic whose name is the importance of polite behavior. First of all, I want to introduce you with polite behavior. Polite behavior mean the way of talking. There are two ways to talk. First is politely and second is rudely. Having polite behavior, we can get many benefits, and having rude behavior,
शाबाश।
we may lose something.
हाँ, we will
In our friendship and in our relationship and in customer. Polite behavior is important for all, because a person is judged by his behavior, and polite behavior is important for teacher, because having polite behavior, he can create interest in his teaching, and having polite behavior, teachers can get love of students and also fan following. And polite behavior helps to students to ask their doubts or questions, because when some teacher behaves with students politely, students don't hesitate to ask their doubts. And polite behavior is also important for doctor, because having polite behavior, he can recover to patient in fast manner, because patient see that the doctor is asking about his health. So it is psychology that when someone asks about our life or about health, we like him. And polite behavior is also important for shopkeeper, because of having polite behavior, a shopkeeper can get more customers. We have noticed it that when we go to shopkeeper to buy something, and shopkeeper behaves with us politely, so we think that he's good man, and we go again and again to buy things. And if we have polite behavior, we can get respect in the society, and in also our friend circle. So at last, I want to say you that behave with so at last I want to say that we should behave with people in polite manner. So that's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। शाबाश बेटा, ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो। हाँ लक्ष्मी, आजा।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is a success. Name. Today our topic is a behavior. And behavior is a key of success. And good behavior help us in getting respect, dignity in the society, and a, a person behavior well, and all the person say that it is the best person. And if a teacher do not behave good, so all the students say that it is not good teacher in our life. And good behavior is good behavior must need in all the people. And good behavior can be learnt by parents and
कैन बी टॉट,
teachers.
कैन बी टॉट बेटा, हाँ।
Can be taught by parents and teachers. And good behavior make people feel comfort. And
शाबाश।
good behavior help us to develop which to develop good habits which improve mentally and physically health.
हाँ हाँ, शाबाश।
If a shopkeeper behavior well, and so all the person go again and again, or they buy many things that shopkeepers
फ्रॉम दैट शॉपकीपर, हाँ
that shopkeeper.
हाँ।
If a doctor treat a patient and a patient is bad condition, so
इन
the
बैड कंडीशन, थोड़ा आराम से, हाँ।
is in bad condition, so the patient, first of all, the patient need good behavior doctor. And the patient treat and the patient is treated by good behavior doctor. And behavior is most important things in our life. And by behavior we can go 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 we can achieve our goal. And we and good behavior good and we can get our work done from others by behaving well.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, हाँ।
and and we should behavior good to all.
बिहेव,
And
बिहेव वर्ब होती है, वी शुड बिहेव नाइसली विद अदर्स, हाँ।
we should behave all good. And we we should not behave bad, because
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, बोलो।
the rudely behave by the rudely behave we
बिहेवियर आएगा यहाँ पर, वर्ब के रूप में बिहेव आएगा, वैसे बिहेवियर आएगा, हाँ बोलो, ध्यान दो, थोड़ा फोकस करो बस, हाँ।
by rudely behavior we can't achieve our goal. And we can't get success. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। सुनना जरूर बेटा अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग है ना, बहुत सारी, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, और बहुत सारी चीजें और पता चल जाएंगी। शाबाश, यस। आओ बेटा, आदित्य आ जाओ बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Donawat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today's our topic is behavior.
हाँ
As we all know that behavior is very nice thing in our life, and we behave properly, and our relative people behave us properly.
शुड बिहेव प्रॉपरली, हाँ करना चाहिए
Sir.
ना, ऐसे आ रहा है ना, हाँ ऐसे बोलो, हाँ।
And there are so many types of behavior like bad behavior, happy behavior,
शाबाश,
and
हाँ
normal behavior,
वेरी गुड,
etc.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, हाँ।
So first I say bad behavior. As we all know that bad behavior is very bad
Hmm.
bad behavior in our life,
Hmm.
uh, and we take uh, doctor behavior is very nice, but sometimes doctors say us, you don't care your body, and and your and your body parts are very tired, and you don't eat healthy, so you are very lazy.
Hmm.
So we and we and we and we and we say our parents, we don't come this doctor's hospital.
Hmm.
And second is happy behavior. And we and teachers behavior is very nice, because teachers behavior is very nice behavior in the world.
Hmm.
uh, Teachers teach us very properly, and we say our parents, we like this teacher,
Hmm. Hmm.
and
Hmm.
this is a very nice teacher. They don't say us, write down that
Hmm.
on, say 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 us, don't ratna in our life,
Don't
don't rato in our life.
iterate. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, आगे
it
बोलो,
is
शाबाश
in
हो, कोई
our
बात
life.
नहीं, बोलो, आज अच्छा बोल रहे हो, बोलो. Hmm.
And the last is normal behavior. As we all know that we we take a normal behavior in our life, because normal behavior is very nice behavior, because this behavior uh, give us happiness, and we
Hmm.
and we don't take stress,
Hmm.
and we normal.
We remain normal. हाँ. Hmm.
Yes, and we behave normal. At last, I want to say that uh, don't say us, my behavior is very bad. Yes, that's it.
Very good.
सर
बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट होने लगे. हाँ बेटा.
सर यार से कुछ बोल रहा
हाँ बेटा, बोल बेटा.
है सर लीव हो जाए
हाँ बेटा, बोला था ना मैंने, जाओ तुम लोग.
नहीं सर कनेक्शन नहीं हुआ मतलब
हाँ
कनेक्शन कट
जाओ
गया
बेटा,
था
जाओ बेटा, जाओ आप लोग.
बाय सर गुड नाइट सर
गुड
थैंक यू
नाइट बेटा,
सर
खुश रहो
गुड
बेटा.
नाइट सर सर रक्षित कुछ
हाँ बेटा, आ जाओ. कबीर.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambod Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's my topic is behavior.
Hmm.
As we all know that we are human being and we have different behavior.
Hmm.
Like someone talk rudely, he say only truth.
Hmm.
Uh, someone someone say softly, but they say they say lie.
They speak lie. हाँ बोलो.
They speak lie.
Hmm.
So there are different types of behaviors. Today I tell you these type of behavior.
Hmm.
Like we can take the example of a school. If someone fight with us, some that student go to the teacher and say all the story.
Hmm.
But a bad behavior student continue the fight.
Hmm.
And we can also take the example of doctor.
Hmm.
A doctor behave rudely, so patient uh, don't recover. Uh, uh, they recover lately,
Slowly. Hmm.
slowly.
Hmm.
And doctor behave nicely, so the so the doctor so the patient recover fastly. So if we behave good, someone and everyone give us respect and talk with us with politeness. Yes sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. आजा वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes from B18. And today again we have a speaking session.
शाबाश.
And our new topic is the importance of behavior. You know very well that behavior is a key of success. The personality of any person is identified by his behavior.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ.
Yes,
हाँ.
sir. And there are kinds of behavior like behavior towards to the parents
हाँ.
and
अरे आज तो बहुत बढ़िया बोल
towards
रही
to
तू. हाँ.
the teachers
हाँ.
and towards to the teachers and friends.
हाँ, फोकस कर, बस फोकस करके रख बस. हाँ बेटा, पकड़ के रख. हाँ.
And we can take example like a teacher who behaves politely,
शाबाश.
then
हाँ.
the student inspire from that teacher.
वेरी गुड.
And the second example is if a doctor is rude, sorry, if a doctor behaves
रूडली.
so the rudely,
हाँ.
so the patient will not recover easily. And we should obey our parents and teachers. We should help our friends. And we should behave politely because having politely behavior we can get success in our life.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
Our life and having a having rudely behavior we can't success in our life. And in the last I want to say that we should behave politely, not rudely. Thank you sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा आज तो तुमने. शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड. अब तो नेचुरल तरीके से आने लग गया तुम लोगों का. है, बस यही कंटिन्यू रखो आप बेटा, मेहनत करते रहो बस. यस रश्मि, आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rashmi Meena. My topic is behavior. Humans have many types of behavior: good behavior and bad behavior. If we have a good behavior, so all the people like us, but we have a bad behavior, so all the people don't like to us and don't want to talk to us.
शाबाश, आराम से बोलना बेटा, घबराना मत बिल्कुल भी. धीरे धीरे बोलता चल लीजिए. हाँ.
Behavior is the key of success. If our behavior is good, so we achieve anything in our life. But our behavior is bad, so
if
anyone.
if our behavior is bad, है ना बेटा.
If our behavior is bad, any people doesn't like us.
Yes, and no one likes us.
No one likes us.
हाँ.
We take some examples. First, when we go for interview, the interviewers judge by our behavior.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया.
And the doctors treat the doctors have a good behavior.
If
So the
if लगाओ बेटा वहाँ पे.
if doctors have a good behavior,
हाँ.
so patient feel too much comfortable.
शाबाश.
And the teacher have a good behavior, all the students like them. That's it, sir.
अच्छा तो बोल रही थी, क्या हो गया एकदम से? बहुत अच्छा, आज बहुत अच्छा बोलने लगे हो. बस कोशिश क्या करो बेटा, है ना, घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी बेटा, है ना. हाँ. यस मधु.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 20. Today my topic is behavior. Behavior is a very important part of life, our part of life. there are two types of behavior, good and bad, and everyone interact each other. Uh, Behavior include in this interact.
हाँ
And
इज इंक्लूडेड, हाँ कोई बात नहीं, बोलो। हाँ हाँ
um, good behavior is the key of success.
हाँ
A person who follow good behavior to achieve his dreams and success. If a person not follow
doesn't follow
doesn't follow uh, good behavior, uh, uh, he
cannot get success.
he cannot get success. Uh, a teacher's behavior should be polite and kind because students talk too easily any problem,
so that
and
लगाओ वहां पर because की जगह, जिससे की, so that, बस बाकी आगे बोलो।
so that students talk easily any problem, and uh, get solve the question,
get the solution of question, हाँ
solution of question. And teacher is a very important role. Teacher is a very important person in society. His behavior is his behavior should be good. mm, uh,
अच्छा है, शाबाश।
okay. His behavior attracts students and society persons, and doctors' behavior should be kind and good, so that patient afraid also his disease, uh, doctor should be help to patient. Patient
recovers soon,
easily and
हाँ हाँ शाबाश,
easily and soon.
हाँ soon, ठीक है।
Okay.
हाँ बेटा।
Our behavior is should be good, so that we interact and we interact each other and get success. Good behavior, good behavior keep our good behavior keep to unity a family.
Unite, keep our family
Unite
united, हाँ।
family. And our behavior shows our personality.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, हाँ।
So our behavior should be good and polite.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, कोशिश करते रहो वैसे ही। यस यामिनी, आ जा बेटा। सो गई क्या? पार हो गई है तो चलो इसको बाद में बुलाएंगे। खुशी गुजर, आ जा बेटा।
Yes, sir. My name is Kushi Gujar. My topic is good behavior. As you know that good behavior is a key of success. So that we should good behavior from to all.
सो वी शुड हैव गुड बिहेवियर, हाँ। आराम से बोल, घबरा मत, हाँ धीरे धीरे बोल, तसल्ली से।
good behavior, good behave help
बिहेवियर आएगा
us.
वहां पर, बिहेवियर आएगा, बिहेव तो वर्ब हो जाएगी। हाँ बोल 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 बोल, घबराए मत।
Good behavior help us in getting respect in the society.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। हाँ
Like the teacher good behavior their student and achieve good result, and so that uh, student easily any questions
स्टूडेंट
to
इजीली आस्क।
ask.
आराम से, बिल्कुल घबराए मत, धीरे धीरे बोल, तसल्ली से, बिल्कुल। हाँ हाँ बेटा।
The doctor good behavior their patient and
the doctor behaves nicely
nicely
with the patients,
their patients, and
हाँ
and achieve admires of the patient.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड। हाँ बेटा।
And shopkeeper good behavior their customer and customer come back their shop.
एक मिनट, शॉपकीपर्स हैव गुड बिहेवियर लगाओगे ना, वर्ब लगाओगे ना वहां पर।
Behavior.
हाँ आगे बोलो,
Okay, sir.
अगला सेंटेंस बोलो, थोड़ा सा फोकस करो बस। हाँ
And good behavior good behavior we can we can our work
वी कैन डू आवर वर्क, वर्ब लगाओगे ना।
do our work from others दूसरों से करवा सकते हैं।
हाँ, वी कैन गेट आवर वर्क डन बाय अदर्स।
Done by हाँ yes sir. That's it sir.
कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा, घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी बेटा, है ना। कॉन्फिडेंस रखोगे तो बहुत अच्छे से होने लग जाएगा बेटा, है ना बेटा। खुशी बैरवा, आजा बेटा।
Yes, sir. Today is my topic behavior.
हाँ
Good behavior are
is
very
is
important.
is हाँ
Is very important in our life.
हाँ
Good behavior help us to become a successful person.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। ऐसे धीरे धीरे बोल बस, तसल्ली से। हाँ फोकस कर बस, थॉट्स ला और बना बोल। हाँ
Res- res- Respecting other people is the first step in learning.
हाँ शाबाश शाबाश, बोल तेजस, घबराए मत, लगने दे टाइम जो लग रहा है, तू घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, फोकस कर बस। हाँ
Doctor's behavior should be good with the patient.
हाँ हाँ
I have seen the many children do not talk well to their parents and grandparents.
शाबाश शाबाश, बढ़िया बन रहे हैं सेंटेंस, बनाती जा।
On should behave well with them. Rich people should treat poor people well. Our good behavior makes us as good That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही थी, और बोल रही थी, थोड़ा सा हिम्मत करती तो आलस कर जाती है, बस बोल लिया, थोड़ा सा बोलने की कोशिश किया, थोड़ा लेंथ बढ़ाया कर बेटा है। हाँ, एकदम से इतनी जल्दी नहीं हार मान लेनी चाहिए। अच्छा बोल रहे थे, अच्छा खासा, क्या दिक्कत है? कॉन्फिडेंस रखो थोड़ा सा। दोनों खुशी एक जैसी हो क्या तुम? हैं? अच्छे खासे बोलते बोलते से एकदम से डाउन हो जाओगे।
सर फ्रेंड है ना इसलिए।
हाँ यार, बहुत जिगरी हो तुम।
सारे दिन एक साथ रहते संगति का असर तो
बिल्कुल
है।
असर आ गया बेटा, बिल्कुल आ गया बेटा, हमने मान ली बेटा बात।
अचानक जैसे एक बार कंफ्यूजन होता है ना, और वो कंफ्यूजन ऐसा होता है कि माइंड को ही ब्लॉक कर देता है
वही
पूरा।
मैंने कहा कि उसको छोड़ दो, कॉन्फिडेंस वहीं पर आना चाहिए अपना। मुझे पता है एक सेंटेंस आके ब्लॉक कर देता है तुम्हारे को, छोड़ दो उसको। कॉन्फिडेंस रखोगे
भूल
तो नहीं
जाते।
होएगा। आप गलत बोल दो ना, क्या क्या कंफ्यूजन है? बोलो गलत जो बोलना है, कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे आएगा? गलत सही की चिंता मत करो। आप अच्छा बोल रहे हो, अच्छा कर रहे हो, फिर जैसे ही झटका लगता है तुम्हारे को, फिर वो गड़बड़ होने लग जाता है। वो तो वो झटका मत लगने दो, उस झटके को दूर रखो। घबराओ मत, ये मत सोचो कि यार गलत हो जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा, गलत हो जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा। अपन कौन से आईएएस के एग्जाम में फेल हो जाएंगे? अपन कोशिश कर रहे हैं ना बेटा, अपन सीख रहे हैं। अपन घबराना नहीं, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ करो जो भी कुछ करना है।
वही तो सर, अगर आदमी गिरेगा नहीं तो चढ़ेगा कैसे?
सुन लो, अब ज्ञानी महाराज हमारे बैठे हुए हैं, बाबा जी महाराज हैं। अब देखो कितना बढ़िया बोलता है, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलता है यार, कुछ नहीं, वो कॉन्फिडेंस रखो बस अपने अंदर, है ना बेटा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। हाँ यामिनी, तो लंबी पार हो गई भाई ये तो। चलो मुस्कान आ जाए बेटा। कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है बेटा, वो समझो इस बात को आप लोग, है ना। हाँ मुस्कान।
Yes, sir. Today my topic is good behavior. Behavior is the key to success in life. We can do any work in life with good behavior.
शाबाश, ऐसे धीरे धीरे बोल, तसल्ली से, आराम से।
We should we we should good behavior to all.
We should behave nicely to all. आगे बोल। घबराए
And
बिल्कुल मत, मैं करवाऊंगा ठीक। तू बोल कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ में, बोल कितना गलत बोलना है तेरे को, बोल बोल।
we speak politely.
We should speak.
We should speak politely to everyone.
With everyone. हाँ, तू भी चल सकता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
Okay. And we should say sorry to get excuse.
हाँ हाँ।
And we should we should help any problem.
प्रॉब्लम की हेल्प थोड़ी करेंगे। We should help.
Good behavior. उसके द्वारा
We should help.
We should help.
किसकी मदद करनी चाहिए?
सर नहीं, मतलब वो अपन गुड बिहेवियर के द्वारा अपनी हेल्प करवा लेते हैं।
We can get help with our good behavior. आगे बोलो, घबराओ बिल्कुल मत, बोल बेटा।
Like intelligent, नहीं सर, some students do not keep talk any children because they they has they have not they have not like a beautiful, and they not intelligent in study. They children don't speak like they student.
आराम से बोल, छोटे सेंटेंस बना बना के बोल।
तो सही है ना?
हाँ बोल बेटा, बोल, सही गलत की चिंता मत किया कर।
And if the doctor's behavior is good, then the patient will also take friendly.
हाँ।
And good behavior is the very important. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, घबराया मत कर तू, एक तो बिल्कुल भी, है ना, बिल्कुल डर को निकाल दे दिमाग में से। अब थोड़ी डर लगता है तेरे को, अब भी लगता है क्या?
सर
हाँ?
पता नहीं।
पता ही नहीं तेरे को डर लगता है कि नहीं लगता? डरा मत कर तू बेटा, है ना। हाँ भाई, यामिनी आ रही है क्या? माइक चालू नहीं हो रहा है इसका। चलो ठीक है, किसी का रह तो नहीं गया नंबर, सबने बोल लिया? चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।